Jessica as Luna. 3, 2, 1. Warm welcome to Andres Mulak as Rafi. Okay, please stay at the center first.
Yung mga fans nyo to have your kissing scene big screen naman, di ba? So, dun sa nakita pa natin namin yung
or kind of like I love to do things for people and make other people happy.
Next, we have Miss Dalian Carvajal of Philippine Star.
Hi, Jane. Welcome back. Long time no see. For Ash and for Andres. Hi, Andres. What's the crazy? Parang antos lang po. What's the craziest thing you did for love?
Crazy,
Too crazy to mention.
Ang hirap naman. Hindi ko maisip ka agad. The craziest thing I did for love? Yung love mismo talaga. I think love is the craziest thing I've done for love. Kasi parang, when you're feeling love talaga, or feeling these emotions, it's a crazy thing, diba? It's never flat, it's dynamic talaga, So, yun, loving is the craziest thing I've done for love.
Ako naman po, siguro yung pinipilit mong intindihin yung mga bagay na hindi mo maintindihan. Yung parang, kahit hindi na siya nag-make sense, parang tinatry mo mag-make sense siya para hindi mo wala. Mga ganun.
Oh, God. Si Andres ba yun? Or direct. Kung i-compare mo sa Bulaklak yung tandem ni Ashless, what flower would it be? Ang beauty pageant question.
Siguro puting rose. Kasi di ba rose siya, so parang rose kasi symbol of passion. Pero gusto ko siyang maging white instead of red kasi parang ang pure and genuine ng pagsasamahan nila.
Pero wala pa namang matinig. Kasama yun. The thorns of the roses.
Pwede. Pero yung thorns na yun, di ba, minsan kahit alam mo merong risk na masuksok ka, ibigay mo pa rin kasi mahal mo.
Hindi mo maamoy yung flowers without holding the thorns, sabi nga. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, that was Miss Dalian Carvajal of Philippine Star. Up next, we have Ronald Castro of Abante Tonight.
Good afternoon. Hello po.